Hello traders, this is a short tutorial talking about Elliott wave trading videos or tutorial one must watch. So if there is an Elliott wave trading video or tutorial that one must watch, which one should I recommend to traders? That's a very interesting question, and I have the answer to that question. What is the Elliott wave video or tutorial that one must watch at 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel? So now you may wonder why, George, you are talking like this today. Is this: when I start trading first, I always look for things that can work for me. You may say why. The reason was that I was losing like a mad dog. You may believe or disagree. Now, I'm not talking about the amount of money that I was losing. I'm talking about how many trades I have placed and those trades end up being a losing trade. I think I should win an award for losing consistently. So all I do care about is something that can work for me. So for those reasons, I created a training system that I call training system that work. So you had to understand what was going through my mind when I was saying that. But now today, we are not talking about training system that work. We are talking about Elliott wave trading video or tutorial one must watch. All right. Take it from me. You want to grab your favorite drink. You do not want anybody to disturb you. And the video that I want you to watch and digest is this. Alright, I will find in a minute. The title of the video is Elliott wave analysis tips, how to surmount Elliott wave analysis technical challenges. In case you have not heard it, let me say it to you one more time. Elliott wave analysis tips, how to surmount Elliott wave analysis technical challenges. This is the Elliott wave video or tutorial that I will recommend to traders to watch. This is the Elliott wave trading video or tutorial one must watch. So you may say to me, George, why? And then I will say, very good question. Because I explain to traders how to surmount, how to overcome Elliott wave analysis challenges. So you learn the theory, the Elliott wave theory, the Elliott wave principle. It's quite a simple subject, yes or no. Anybody can sit down, learn about Elliott wave in one day. But then, when one starts applying the Elliott wave, one will notice that it's not as straightforward as it is, because we are facing Elliott wave analysis technical challenges. Now the question is, which many Elliott wave traders are asking, how do I overcome or how do I surmount the Elliott wave analysis technical challenges? This is it. That's why, in my view, personally speaking, you may disagree with me, and I'll say to you, who are you to disagree with me? And you may say, yes, I can disagree with you. And I say, yes, even Frank can disagree. It's Elliott wave analysis tips, how to surmount Elliott wave analysis technical challenges. The reason why I highly recommend that video, because I share things that are consistent in the financial market when one is using the Elliott wave principle. So again, I use another chart, another stock when I was talking about that. You may say to me, Joe, why are we here looking at Applied Material Incorporated stock? Because it's a very popular stock. If you are an American and you trade the American stock and you don't know about Applied Material Incorporated, it means that okay, you are not an American trader. All right, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So looking at this chart, I have been talking about Elliott wave. You can see I have here first wave, second wave, third wave, and this is my forecast for the fourth wave here, and my fifth wave is still here. My drawing is all over the place. I was combining pitchfork tool, market geometry, and the Elliott wave analysis, and few years ago I recorded this video. But now say, George, you are saying to me, George, don't stay away from the subject. Don't try to talk like a politician. Try to avoid the question. Why are you saying to us that The video that you were talking about is the Elliott wave trading video or tutorial that one must watch. Good. I said to traders in that video that in order to avoid or to confront or to surmount or to overcome the Elliott wave analysis technical challenges, all right, one thing we can use is the divergence, the force divergence that usually occur during the first wave. So this is the first wave, we usually see a force divergence. So at this point in time, when we say it's a divergence, price continue to go up. Then you say, all right, George, it's a divergence. And price continue to go up. And then you say, George, this is a divergence. And price continue to go up until finally it's coming down, forming the second wave. So what I said to trader in that video is that in order to surmount the Elliott wave analysis technical challenges, one thing what we can use is the force divergence that we usually see during the first Elliott wave. Use the stochastic 833 because the ultimate role of the stochastic indicator is to pinpoint valid bullish and bearish divergence. Here, as you can see, the stochastic 833 was exhibiting a bearish divergence, but because we are in the first wave, it's a false divergence. Good. The second thing that I said to trader in that video, talking about Elliott wave trading video or tutorial one must watch, all right, is that during the third Elliott wave, the stochastic will stay overbought for a long time. Here it is, especially on the monthly chart, and this is the third wave. This phenomenon very often will occur, can help us to overcome the Elliott wave challenges. There is stochastic stay overbought for a long time. So we see during the first wave, false divergence. The third wave, stochastic stay overbought for a long time. We are now expecting what? The fourth wave, where the stochastic will pull back a bit. You want to know more about stochastic? Go and buy the 2-4 stock trader, 2-4 SP trading material. And then the stochastic will pull back to the oversold zone, or we display stochastic will exhibit a high low to highlight the fourth wave. So we are expecting now for this stock, unless this is just the fourth wave here. We will be surprised, so we are expecting a fourth wave. Our expectation may not be fulfilled, but this is just our expectation. All right, watch out at the top of the pitchfork tool or the median line between the blue line and this one here. All right, so this is about, okay, the Elliott wave, okay, a video or tutorial one must watch. In that tutorial, one last thing that I say to traders, so we are able to identify the first wave, the third wave. What are we looking for? Here it is, all right. The false divergence, stochastic stay overbought, and then stochastic pulling back to the oversold zone. But during the fifth wave, we have what we call a valid overbought. So we have a false divergences at the beginning of the first wave, and we have valid divergences during the fifth wave. Anytime, remember this, anytime we label anything first, third, or fifth wave, especially the fifth wave, understand that the fifth wave can also be extended. So you say to me, Joel, remind me one more time the title of that video so I may watch it completely. So I will tell you again the name of that video that one must watch is this. All right. Wave analysis tips, how to surmount Elliott wave analysis, technical challenges. So this will conclude our discussion today about Elliott wave trading video or tutorial one must watch. I'll make sure I put the link of that video in the description section. If I forget, remind me again in the comment section, so I may put it there so all of you may watch it. We can use the stochastic false divergence, the stochastic overbought for a long time, and the stochastic true divergence to help us to overcome or surmount and conquer, all right, or diffuse, so to speak, our Elliott wave analysis technical challenges. This is Elliott wave trading video or tutorial one must watch. you have any question or suggestion, put in a comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you like this video, please give us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another useless recording, mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Elliott with a video or tutorial one must watch. Happy trading to you all and speak to you as soon